Flushing water demand errors occur when the actual water requirement during flushing is miscalculated or improperly supplied. These errors can lead to insufficient flow, poor system performance, or excessive water usage. Common causes include incorrect pipe sizing, pressure imbalance, faulty valves, or inaccurate demand assumptions during design. When flushing demand is not met, sediments may not be removed effectively, increasing the risk of blockages and system damage. Proper design verification, accurate calculations, and regular system checks are essential to eliminate flushing water demand errors and ensure safe, efficient, and reliable operation.